Hi, my name's Nadia Cowan, and today I'll be talking to you about the contraction of muscles during rigor mortis from the sarcomere. First off, here are a few things you need to know to understand this presentation. The calcium ion concentration is maintained by the sarcoplasmic reticulum, and on it there are these calcium ions right here. Without the presence of the calcium ions located on the sarcoplasmic reticulum, the contraction would not be able to occur because it does not work unless calcium ions are present. ATP is what gives the muscles the energy to move. Actin is a type of filament usually associated with myosin, and it is responsible for many types of cell movements. Myosin is the prototype of a molecular motor, which is a protein that converts chemical energy in the form of ATP to mechanical energy, thus creating force and movement. Troponin is what binds things such as calcium to the tropomyosin strand, which allows for contraction. Tropomyosin is what blocks the attachment site for the myosin cross bridge, thus preventing contraction. But when it is moved out of the way, the myosin is able to contract. A neuromuscular junction is a synapse between a motor neuron and a skeletal muscle. That way the muscle is able to contract. The muscle contracts when the ATP attached to the tropomyosin and the myosin, and the Z line attached to the actin and the troponin are in the presence of calcium ions, and they contract and pull together. So basically, rigor mortis occurs when the muscle contracts when the myosin shifts, but the lack of ATP prevents it from detaching, and the muscles remain contracted. This occurs because since the body is no longer functioning, it can no longer create more ATP to be used. This process occurs in all muscles as the body becomes completely rigid, and it usually starts in the face muscles and the generally smaller muscles, and it occurs all within 4 hours. So as you can see here, it is contracted fully and will not be let go. This is the contracting, expanding motion. See it flexed and then relaxed. When rigor mortis occurs, it stays contracted, like so. Here is our model in action. And it works the same on the other side as well. This is the axon terminal holding the synaptic vesicles. This right here is the neuromuscular junction. This is an image of the sarcomere in the muscle. This is the sarcoplasmic reticulum. This around here is ATP. This is the Z line. Attached to the Z line is actin, which holds troponin. This right here is myosin, and this right here is tropomyosin. These up here are the calcium ions. I hope you really enjoyed the video and gained lots of valuable information.